Looking for Advent Calendar Star Wars? Here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like. Just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1, open a door every day to reveal 24 different LEGO Star Wars themed gifts. Featuring 7 minifigures, plus a fun holiday themed figure, by LEGO. Number 2, open the doors of this galactic LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, each day in December to discover themed LEGO minifigures, starships, vehicles and other collectibles, another great product by LEGO. Number 3. Get your favorite Advent calendar now. Just click this link below for more. Number 4, open a window every day to reveal 24 different LEGO Star Wars themed gifts, features 5 minifigures and 2 holiday themed droids. Number 5, open a door every day to reveal 24 different LEGO Star Wars themed gifts, also by LEGO. Number 6, feel the force this holiday season with the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar. Number 7, features 8 minifigures and a battle droid, including an exclusive holiday-themed minifigure. Number 8, open a door every day to reveal 24 different LEGO Star Wars themed gifts. Number 9. Number 10,